This is the Unit 14 video. Make sure your book is open to page 114 and you have your answer document next to you. I'm going to give some help on each question. If you don't need help on that question, you can skip ahead in the video and just watch what you need. Rosie's Rosorama is offering a special price on roses for Valentine's Day. The table below shows the prices for 4 different rose arrangements. So we have the number of roses shown and then the price arrangement. Now 1 dozen, of course, represents 12 roses, 15 roses, 18 roses, and 2 dozen is 24 roses. All right, the question's looking for which statement is true. And it looks like it's saying, okay, so we have the roses in each arrangement, in the arrangement with 15 roses cost 50 cents each. The cost per rose in the 2 dozen arrangement is $2.25. Each rose costs 40 cents if 18 roses are purchased. And 1 dozen roses is the best buy. So it looks like we're trying to find the price per rose for each of these arrangements. So this means we're taking the price and dividing by the number of roses. All right, so you'll need to divide each of these to determine which one is true. So for 1 dozen, you're doing $33 divided by 12 for 1 dozen roses. For 15, that's $30 divided by 15 roses. For 18, you have $45 divided by 18 roses. And for 2 dozen, $54 divided by 24 roses. All right, so divide each of these and then read very carefully what your answer choices are saying to determine which one is true. Number 2, Mr. Aguilar purchases gas for $3.24 per gallon. After leaving the gas station, he travels 208 miles on 8 gallons of gas. If the car uses gas at a constant rate, which best describes the number of miles traveled per gallon of gas? Okay, again, per is our division. So what we need to know is the number of miles divided by the gallons of gas. Okay, so it travels 208 miles, there's your miles, and on 8 gallons of gas, there's our gas. So you need to do miles divided by gallons, okay, and actually divide it to figure out which one is true. But this $3.24, the price of gas, that's extra information. We don't need it. Brittany's scout troop is selling cookies. The scout leader orders 12 cases of cookies with 12 boxes of cookies per case. There are 16 girls in the troop, and each girl receives an equal number of boxes. Which expression could be used to determine the number of boxes of cookies Brittany receives? So, Brittany's receiving boxes of cookies. Each girl is receiving an equal number of boxes. So, since there's 16 of them, we're going to be dividing by 16. But now we need to know how many boxes there are total. So how many boxes? Well, there's 12 cases of cookies and 12 boxes of cookies in each case. So it looks like we have to take our 12 cases times 12 boxes per case, and that tells you the total number of boxes. Okay, and again, now that we know the total number of boxes, we then divide by 16 to figure out how much Brittany receives. So you need to pick the expression that shows that. Kalia's hair salon has shampoo on sale this week, as shown in the table below. So 8 ounces, 16 ounces, 24 ounces, and 48 ounces, and we have the cost on the side. Which size bottle offers shampoo at 48 cents per ounce? Okay, again, per means divide, so we're doing cost divided by ounces. Cost divided by ounces. So you need to divide these until you find the one that equals 48 cents. Okay, so you'll do cost $5.60 divided by 8 ounces. You'll do $8 divided by 16 ounces. $11.52 divided by 24 ounces, and $28.80 divided by 48 ounces, and pick the one that equals 48 cents when you divide it. Last one, Helen bought ice cream for her friends after school. She bought 4 single scoop ice cream cones for a total of $8.25 and 6 sundaes. Each sundae cost the same amount. And Helen paid a total of $33.75 for the ice cream. What was the price per sundae Helen paid? All right, so this is a multi-step problem. We know her total was $33.75. That was her total. Now this total consisted of the ice cream cones plus the sundaes. All right, so the cones plus the sundaes gives us the price of $33.75. So what we need to do, if we're looking for just the price of one of these sundaes, we're going to have to work backwards. Okay, so I know the price of the cones, that was $8.25. So we're going to subtract the $8.25 to figure out how much the sundaes cost. So this number here will tell you how much the sundaes cost. And she bought 6 sundaes, so then you'll need to divide by 6 to determine the price for one sundae. Right. Make sure you get all 5 problems done, and you turn in your answer document and put your book away.